Hello glam fam, welcome back to MBGE. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix lashes. Do you want to know how to fix lashes for everyday look? Then stay with me. So these are just random lashes that I got from a beauty store. To remove your lashes, you hold it at the tip of the band and then you remove and then you place back the same way. You try on your lashes to ensure that they fit before applying a glue, and then you cut out the inner edge and the excess at the outer edge. Applying the mascara from Beauty Line by DD to just brush up your lashes, both upper lashes and lower lashes. I got this eyeliner glue from a random beauty store. It's a glue, lash glue that also doubles as a liner. Then using the duo lash glue to just using an applicator to just spread it evenly. I used too much here, guys. When you're doing yours, don't use too much, if not it will give you troubles. So just placing the lashes in and then trying to merge it together to just give that perfect fit and let it merge with my natural lashes. And this is the final look, guys. I'm sure you enjoyed today's tutorial. Yes, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like this video, share. See you in my next video. Bye.